Welcome to 106 Terrence Park Drive in prestigious Ancaster. This custom-built masterpiece is set on a sprawling 100 by 130 foot lot and features the ultimate in luxury living and entertaining.
Perfectly situated near downtown Ancaster, the Ancaster Mill, and the world-renowned Hamilton Golf and Country Club, 106 Terrence Park Drive is more than a home, it's a lifestyle.
Join us for a tour inside to check every details of this incredible home.